Every founder has ideas, a startup idea, a side project, a hackathon concept. The student opens a laptop and sketches an AI study app, a tutoring marketplace, a fitness tracker, and a campus marketplace. The ideas glow brightly, but most ideas never become reality. The problem is not creativity. People have more ideas than ever. The real problem is execution. Ideas drift into Notion pages, sticky notes, Discord messages, and Google Docs. They pile up. Nothing gets built. Most founders do not fail because they lack ideas. They fail because they do not know which assumption is wrong, which risk matters most, or what they should do first. So weeks become months, months become abandoned projects, and promising ideas quietly disappear into an idea graveyard. Current tools do not solve this. Chatbots give advice, templates collect notes, friends give opinions. None provide a real path forward. What founders need is clarity, a plan, and one real step they can take today. Every founder has ideas. Almost none have a first step. A founder types, I want to build a tutoring marketplace. Most AI tools generate one response. IdeaForge uses a structured reasoning pipeline. The raw idea flows from the prompt into a Forge engine and moves down a manufacturing line toward execution. IdeaForge runs on NVIDIA NIM free APIs using the GLM-5.1 model. The prompt enters the engine, which provides real-time AI reasoning through high-speed inference and streaming intelligence flowing back to the canvas. The pipeline runs 5 sequential phases. Clarify compresses the idea. Assume surfaces hidden assumptions. Risk scores impact and likelihood. Milestones sequence discover, validate, and build. First step produces a forged action. Message 20 students in 2 hours. A traditional chatbot returns one generic answer. IdeaForge returns a structured execution canvas with assumptions, risks, milestones, and a first action. Sequential reasoning and context preservation between phases create more reliable outputs than a single prompt chat. Let's see how IdeaForge transforms a rough idea into a structured execution plan. This is the product walkthrough, from idea to execution in minutes. Users first discover IdeaForge through the landing experience. The platform is built to stress test, not flatter. It pressure tests ideas before founders waste months building the wrong thing. Users describe their idea in plain language. In this example, a founder wants to help landscaping contractors generate professional PDF quotes directly from voice notes. The system captures the customer, problem, value proposition, and business model. IdeaForge moves through a structured 5-phase reasoning process. Clarify sharpens vague thinking. Assume exposes hidden assumptions. Risk identifies failure points. Milestones create a roadmap. First step defines immediate action. Each phase builds on the previous one, gradually transforming a raw concept into an actionable plan. Results are continuously assembled inside the execution canvas. Instead of a generic AI response, founders receive a structured analysis, success probability, hidden assumptions, risk analysis, and milestone path. Everything remains visible and editable, creating a living execution document. IdeaForge contains built-in safety guardrails. When ideas involve harmful or legally risky behavior, the system flags a guardrail-triggered warning with low success probability, legal risk, and policy violations. The goal is responsible guidance, not blind generation. Founders receive a complete execution framework they can act on with export markdown, copy, portfolio, and execution canvas. Instead of asking whether an idea sounds exciting, IdeaForge asks whether it can survive reality, from spark to struck gear. Powerful AI without responsibility creates risk. That is why responsible AI by design was built directly into IdeaForge from day one. A raw idea enters the engine, and a guardrail check sits at the front door before any plan is generated. Rather than blindly generating plans, IdeaForge identifies harmful, illegal, unethical, or high-risk concepts. It flags legal risks, policy violations, unsafe business models, and ethical concerns, then shows guardrail triggered, challenging founders to rethink dangerous assumptions before they become costly mistakes, before they become costly crises. We believe AI should encourage better judgment. On the left, unchecked AI hands back a polished plan with hidden risks. On the right, IdeaForge surfaces risks, assumptions, and unintended consequences, helping founders make smarter and more responsible decisions. Our vision is simple: help builders move from vague ideas to validated execution through clarity, accountability, and action. This is IdeaForge, from spark to struck gear, forged by Achievers Syndicate at the USAII Global AI Hackathon 2026. Thank you.